everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a calendar in Google Sheets. Let's begin by creating a simple monthly layout. For this example, let's make one for June 2025. To create the main header of your calendar, first, click on cell A1 and type June 2025. Then, select the range from A1 to G1. At the top of your screen, look for the Merge Cells icon to merge all cells. This option has an icon that looks like a broken rectangle with two arrows pointing toward each other. After that, click the bold icon, the letter B in the toolbar. Next, center align the text by clicking the Center Align button under Horizontal Align icon, which looks like several horizontal lines stacked in the center. Next, in cells A2 to G2, type the days of the week. In cell A2, type Sunday. In cell B2, type Monday. Now, select both A2 and B2. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the selection until you align with the small blue circle, and your cursor should transform into crosshairs. Drag your cursor down to G2 to automatically complete the days of the week. Then, select A2 to G2 and click the bold icon again to make the date label stand out. Now, let's add the days of the month. Let's say that June starts on a Sunday. Click on cell A3 and type 1. Then, continue across the row, type 2 in B3, 3 in C3, and so on. Leave a blank row so you have free cells where you can write your activities. Continue entering the numbers in the next rows, going left to right, row by row, and leaving rows in between blanks until you reach 30. Once all the numbers are in place, we'll add borders to make it look like a real calendar. Highlight your entire calendar, for example, from A2 to G12. Then, on the toolbar, click the borders icon. This icon looks like a square with 4 inside borders. From the drop-down, choose all borders. This will place a box around each cell in the calendar. Now, let's adjust the row heights for the black rows. Highlight the black rows, which are rows 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12, by selecting the row numbers of the left side of your screen while holding your Control button on your keyboard. Once you have selected the blank rows, you can move your mouse to the line between the row numbers, for example, between 4 and 5. When your mouse pointer changes into an up and down arrow, click and drag to make the row height taller. Now, you can type inside any blank cell under the dated cells to add notes, events, reminders, or deadlines. This calendar looks very simple, but you can play with formatting options to add color and highlights for better appearance, depending on your preference. So, that is how you create a calendar in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.